Hey guys, so nandito na naman tayo sa Shrek na yan, For me, feeling ko si Nadine yung Shrek. Shrek? Wow, oh my god. Oh, why are you climbing on to me, girl? Anong ginawa ko sa'yo? Ba't ka galit? Okay, let's go. Follow the arrows. Follow natin yung arrows, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa dito, basta we follow the arrows. So, Maui! Oh my god! I'm in a hole! Maui! 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 Come here! I found you, Maui! Maui! Oh my god! I was chased by multiple ugly faces. I'm with Maui. San ka? Okay, let's sundan natin si Maui, guys. Clearly, she knows what she's doing. Oh my god, ano to? Yung Peppa Pig. Neighbor ko si Susie Sheep. Susie Sheep, my best friend! Wait, I'll do that. I'll do that too. Welcome to heaven. Trip to heaven to, guys. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
What is this? Ano sabi ko? Trip to heaven pa talaga ako. Trip to heaven pa talaga. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna follow you, Maui.
What is that noise?
God, kakainin ka. Siguro tayo nito. Uy, water tap. Active. What the heck?
Wait, where's the exit? Okay, oh my god.
Bro, we're leaving Nadine behind. Where is Nadine?
I can see there's a monster, but you wanna wait for her?
What? Are we gonna get chased through here talaga? Oh my god, that's...
Yeah, I feel like if we stay long.
Oh my god, Nadine! Nasaan ka na? Pupunta na kami sa whole different
Oh my god,
world
we
again.
gotta swim, we gotta swim!
Oh my god. Bro, sipahin ko kayo lahat dyan.
Wait, where do we go?
I don't know. Why is it 2 arrows? Right is
Okay, let's
always
follow
right.
her.
Right is always right.
Really?
Always.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh, another one of these.
My shark. Wow. What if my shark kita? What if my shark kita?
Stop!
Ano to? Flita facility? Bro, nag-Flita facility na lang sana tayo.
Let's
Kung
go.
kahak lang pala tayo ng computer.
Oh my god, her